Hello, everyone, and welcome to ROKStudios. I'm Stan Miller. I'm the PR and Analyst Relations Manager for Rockwell Automation in the EMEA region. And I'm joined today by Lukas Masek of Viking Masek. He is the owner and vice president. Lukas, welcome to the studio.
Thank you.
So, we're here today to talk about how innovative technologies drive sustainable and efficient packaging solutions. But before we get into the topic, could you tell us a little bit about your company?
Well, Viking Masek is celebrating 60 years anniversary this year, and I would say everybody's Viking Masek is passionate about packaging. We all at Viking Masek love packaging. That's all our life, and that's all what we do for the last 60 years in the company.
Sounds like a lot of experience and expertise in the industry. So let's get to the topic at hand.
Okay.
From your perspective, how do innovative technologies like intelligent track systems, independent cart technology, how do those technologies contribute to enhancing efficiency and quality in the packaging industry?
Using the iTrack system from Rockwell, that's by the way a very, very intelligent system, help us to drive every package individually, independently, the way we want. We really can track every single package in the packaging line. We can have different stop times, different sealing times, and different speeds at the various position of the line, what we need. And thanks to that, we are able to reach higher efficiency and higher packaging speeds. No matter that the position control is perfect, just perfect.
All right, so that's a really good overview. How can packaging companies adopt advanced systems to incorporate more sustainable materials into their products?
Using sustainable materials is always a question of compromise between the speed, the material you want to use, and the efficiency. With using this iTrack system or this intelligent track system, help us really to reduce the the timing in the line and actually have better sealing times because usually the sustainable materials is worse to package. Of course, it's normal, but we have to use the sustainable material to save the planet. And using the system, we can reach the same efficiency and the same speeds like with conventional materials. And that really helps. The other thing that helps us a lot is really because I said it's very precise positioning. So any changeover that many customers want is done faster, better, and with less waste. And that's what counts.
Appreciate that perspective. As intelligent systems become more accessible and cost effective, how do you see them affecting small and medium sized businesses in the packaging industry? And what strategies would you recommend they adopt to leverage these technologies in the right way?
It's going to be coming. This technology is not the cheapest, and that's not anybody wants the cheapest technology. On the other hand, we need to use it, and when we use it more and more, the price will go down, of course. And of course, now just the big multinational companies require a system because they see the benefit of that. And once you invest a lot of money into this technology, you need to run it 24/7. But now with the price going down, even the smaller companies see the benefit investing into these technologies because they really can justify the investment and they see they can run the sustainable materials, they can run faster, they can be more efficient. And also, what's very important, and sorry for the word, this technology is, I would say, idiot proof. Sorry for the word. But right now we know it's very hard to get skilled people everywhere. For any changeover, you need to really have people that press the start button, stop button, and that's it. And that's what this technology enables.
Interesting. From your perspective, how can packaging companies work together with technology and automation providers to drive more seamless adoption of these intelligent systems that we're talking about?
They all have to work together. The packaging machine provider, the provider of this system like Rockwell Automation, and the customer, they have to work together. We need to figure out the way to implement it into the system. Nobody wants a huge system that runs. Everybody wants a smaller system, small footprint that's very reliable and that every customer can service and can run. And that's exactly what this system is about.
Lukas, thank you so much for joining us in the studio today. We really appreciate you sharing your insights on this interesting technology. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much for being here.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about intelligent systems, including iTrack, intelligent conveyor systems, visit www.rockwellautomation.com.